Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I will make this pattern. This is single color pattern and this pattern is very easy and you can apply this pattern in any sweater, any project. On right side looks like this, on wrong side looks like this. Friends, this is a 6 rows repeat pattern and you have to cast on stitches in odd number. So friends, let's begin. I have 15 stitches on my needle and this is my first row on right side. You have to knit all stitches for this row. This is first row. Knit all stitches. Row 2 on wrong side. Again you have to knit all stitches for this row. I have finished 2 rows. Now this is right side. You have to knit all stitches for this row. This is third row. You have to repeat these 2 rows again. On wrong side. This is fourth row. You have to knit all stitches for this row. See friends, I have finished 4 rows. This is garter stitch pattern and you have to knit 5 rows with this pattern, garter stitch pattern. I have finished 4 rows and this is right side. I am going to knit 5th row. Knit all stitches for this 5th row. You have to knit 5 rows with garter stitch pattern. I have finished 5 rows. This is wrong side and I am going to make 6th row. Slip first stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together like this. Repeat start, yarn over, knit together 2 stitches like this, yarn over, knit together 2 stitches, yarn over, knit together 2 stitches, yarn over, knit together 2, yarn over, knit together 2. This is last repeat and this is last stitch. You have to knit it. I have finished this pattern. Now you have to knit one row of next pattern. Knit all stitches for this row. This is first row of the next pattern. This is second row of the next pattern. Knit all stitches. See friends, I have finished this pattern and I have knit 2 rows of next pattern. See, you have to repeat 6 rows here to here, here to here, and when you will repeat these 6 rows, the pattern will look like this. So friends, if you like this video, if you like this pattern, subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.